Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of must-have products. Today, we're unveiling the best of the best when it comes to weighted blankets, the YnM exclusive 15 pounds weighted blanket. Stay tuned as we uncover why this blanket is the ultimate choice for your comfort needs. Let's jump right in. Meet the YnM exclusive 15 pounds weighted blanket, the best Odyssey weighted blanket out there. This isn't just any ordinary blanket, it's a game changer in the realm of relaxation. What sets the YnM blanket apart from the rest? It's all in the design. With its innovative 7-layer system and 2x2-inch smallest compartments, this blanket contours perfectly to your body, ensuring optimal comfort throughout the night. Plus, the blanket boasts more glass beads and less fiber fill, offering enhanced temperature regulation, meaning you stay cozy without overheating. But wait, there's more. The YnM blanket isn't just about comfort, it's about quality. Crafted with the finest stitching and a 3-dimensional lock bead stitching method, you can rest assured that this blanket is built to last. And here's the best part, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you use it on its own or with a duvet cover, the YnM blanket provides a unique sleeping experience for both adults and children alike. Worried about maintenance? Don't be. The YnM blanket is machine washable, making cleanup a breeze. Simply toss it in on a gentle cycle, and you're good to go. So, if you're ready to upgrade your sleep game, look no further than the YnM exclusive 15 pounds weighted blanket. It's the perfect blend of comfort, quality, and innovation, all wrapped up in one cozy package. Don't miss out on the ultimate relaxation experience. That wraps up today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Remember to subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, stay cozy.